couple weeks ago, we pointed out that AMD call decks had gotten really expensive. And I'm going to share again. Here we go. So a couple weeks ago, we noted that AMD call decks had gotten really expensive. In fact, it was at about the 65th percentile of its 52-week range, which might make sense for, a name that everybody was loving, AI name. They make those chips. But the interesting thing was that not only was call decks really high, but the stock itself was overbought. So relative strength index for AMD a couple weeks ago got well above 70, and until today was spent a lot of time recently above 80. And so we said that's a perfect setup for a covered call. And we suggested selling the August 15 185 call as a covered call in AMD. So again, intersection of call decks being very high, meaning out of the money calls were very expensive, and the stock being overbought. That's just a really sexy setup for us, and that trade has worked out really well for anybody who followed it. Stock's up a tiny bit since we would have put that on, so you made money there. And those calls have not collapsed post earnings, so you would make some money there too.